Hello, I, Dr. Vijay Chandra Jadala, welcomes you to VC Tech Education. Today, I am going to discuss regarding Node MCU based project, which is generally known as traffic light problem or traffic light project. As you all know that the traffic light contains three lights, that is red, yellow and green. Red indicates to stop, yellow indicates to get ready and green indicates to go. In every traffic symbol you might have seen them. The same problem we are going to do a demonstration session by using the LEDs and Node MCU board. As previous classes we already discussed regarding internal LED glow problem and external LED glow practical demonstration was done, that is IoT ASH IoT 001 video. Okay, after this is a sequence video, you have to go to ASH IoT ASH 001 video, then only this video should be seen so that it can be understandable. ASH IoT 001 is the pre-request for this particular video. Okay, then comes to the demonstration session. The first thing is the Node MCU board. This is the microchip Node MCU. This is very tiny board which is known as Node MCU. Okay, this board is this. So already I explained in the video number 1 that back of this node there will be written the drivers. Those drivers should be downloaded, then only this will work. As for any electronic equipment, the drivers is there means you are going to install them. In the same way, here for this particular chip, drivers are there. That back of the chip, the drivers will be given. Those drivers should be downloaded and installed. Then after that, a cable of general cable, that is the data cable. All of you know the data cable. Okay, this is the data cable with the micro USB port. This is called as micro USB port. This should be inserted here. Okay, this should be inserted here. One end of the node MCU board, microcontroller unit, node microcontroller unit, and other end USB should be connected to the laptop. And then the next step is you have to design a model of traffic, that is on a small cardboard. You have to keep 3 LEDs. You can see here 3 LEDs are connected. No cable is connected. This is a sample cable. These three LEDs, red, blue and green. For the demonstration purpose, red, blue and green is taken. Since if I take red, yellow and green are not showing much difference, for that sake I taken red, blue and green. 3 LEDs were taken, and this is the model which was prepared with the help of some small cardboard. Okay, and 3 LEDs were inserted, a pen cap taken as a stand of it. Okay, this as a stand. Okay, these LEDs, 3 LEDs you are seeing. Then keenly observe this model. 1 minute. Okay, see here there will be D0, D1, D2, D3, okay, D4, okay, up to 4 are there. Okay, and this side D7 will be there, D8 will be, D5, D6, D7 will be there. Okay, so what I am doing is I am connecting D0, D1 or D2 or D3. 3 LEDs lights I can connect it. Okay, so now what I will do is, the next thing is, this is the cable which is female and this side also it's a female. Okay, so I am connecting to the D0. The first cable, the first line of the data cable is the D0. Okay, so I am connecting to the D0. 1 minute. Okay, I am connecting to the D0. Okay, and there will be 3 ground pins in this particular node MCU. How many ground pins? 3 ground pins will be there. Okay, see here, the ground pins G will be this side one, this side, here this is G, and here this is G, here this side will be, this side also one G will be there, downward G will be there. In the board 3 G's will be there, that I will give the display there. 3G, G means ground. Okay, so D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, like that D's will be there, that is data transfer nodes, and G's will be 3 G's will be there, A0 will be there. So remember only 3 G's and 3 D1, D2 and D7 or some number. Okay, so D0 I connected a cable, then I will take another cable, white cable I am taking, connect to the D2, okay, D0 and D2 I connected. Next is D3 also beside only there, if you want we can connect D3 also. D3 also we can connect here. Okay, D0, D1, D2, 3 lines for 3 lights. Okay, and when you see this one, back, the strings are there for LED, the strings are there, one is short and another is long. Long one is for the data and short one is for the ground. So in this board there are 3 grounds, and here there are 3 grounds and 3 datas. So I kept the cables up to here, then I will take 3 cables. I will take 3 cables and I will connect to the shortest one, that is the ground. Which is the shortest? The first one is the shortest for all the 3 LEDs. Okay, which is the shortest? I will check it and I will connect the 3 for the one cable. So 3 cables I taken. Okay, 3 cables. I am connecting to the ground pins of 3 cables. I am connecting to the ground of 3 LEDs. Where I am connecting ground of 3 LEDs. Yeah, first LED, then comes to the second LED, okay, then third LED, ground. Okay, what I connected? Sorry. What I connected to the grounds. Where I connected these cables are connected to the grounds, which is on the demo session. So these are the LED lights which are connected to the ground part. Okay, and this is the node MCU which I connected to the D1, D2, D3. Now what I have to do, I have to check the ground here. Okay, so first ground will be connected to the first ground of here. Okay, ground is connected to the ground. Okay, and next ground is connected to the next ground. And the third ground is connected to the ground here, somewhere here, yes. Okay, 3 grounds are connected, and the datas which are there, the datas which are here should be connected to the datas here. Datas which are here should be connected to the datas which are there. Okay, so that is one, 2, 3, and this is ground. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Third one, first one, and ground, and third one is the green one is the data cable. Then okay, this is the thing. Wait for a while. This is the ground, and this is the ground data. Okay, now it is perfect. See here. So how I connected these LEDs and this one? This is the node MCU and these are the LEDs. Okay, these are the LEDs. These are the LEDs and this is the node MCU. How I connected? I connected to the data D1, D0, D1, D2 and ground, 3 grounds, and here on the LEDs 1 ground and 1 D1, 1 ground and 1 D2, 1 ground and 1 D3. So this is about the connections. Okay, back also I am showing you so that a little understanding, and block diagram will be given so that you can understand much clear.